Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to tell you has been validated by the mechanics at the shop I'm in, so don't worry, we're almost there in fixing it. If you're driving your Range Rover and suddenly see the message, "Smart Key Not Recognized," the first thing you might think is, what happened with my key again? Don't worry, it's not that the car decided to rebel, it simply means the keyless system isn't detecting your fob for some reason, and there are several causes that are often much simpler than you'd imagine. The first thing you should always check is the battery in your key fob. Many mechanics tell me that even with a new battery, the fob didn't make proper contact, and something as simple as placing a small piece of paper behind the battery to create more pressure solved the problem. Also, make sure to use high-quality batteries. Cheap ones sometimes don't provide enough voltage, and the car can get confused. If the battery is fine and the message keeps showing up, don't panic. Most Range Rovers have an emergency key slot near the steering wheel where you can place the fob for the car to read it and start. Mechanics say this works even when normal detection fails, and it's a great trick so you don't get stranded while you figure out the real cause. Now, if this keeps happening, the problem is probably with the receiver antenna or the car's electronic modules. These modules handle the signal from the fob, and if they lose sensitivity or fail, the car won't recognize any key, even if the fob works perfectly. Several mechanics recommend checking antennas, fuses, and connections before thinking about replacing expensive modules. Another solution that many have successfully tried is a module reset. Disconnect the battery for a few minutes and reconnect it. This sometimes resets the communication between the fob and the car, making the message disappear. If the problem persists after this, the safest option is to take it to a shop to reprogram or replace the KVM and RFA modules which control the keyless communication.